Working with lists. This tutorial will demonstrate the common features found in search results lists and My Lists throughout the system. We are starting with the inventory list, which has the most features. The first item to highlight is the results count. The overall results are shown at the top, while the number of results for each grouping is shown in each of the bars in the list. The amounts in the grouping should sum to the total results. Note that the count reflects the number of unique inventory types per organization and location. It does not reflect the quantity of items tracked with each record, which you can see in one of the columns. Let's open a group with a large number of records. You will see that the results are broken into subpages. The number of records per subpage can be set by the administrator. I will click on some of the column titles. Clicking on each title will sort the group either ascending or descending within that group. Now let's change how these results are grouped. This page defaulted to grouping by the associated kind value. Now let's select a new option from the Group By list, Organization. The same results are shown in the list, but this time they are grouped by the owning organization. I really don't want to see all of the organizations, just those in one particular state. I have two options. I can click the Edit Search button to return to the search screen and add the state criteria. This will be the primary method for most lists. My other option is to filter the list here. The direct filter is available only on inventory lists. First, I select State in the Filter dropdown. Once the filter dropdown is selected, the second dropdown will be populated with the available states. Select the state and click Refresh. Now I would like to save this list locally. To do this, I can either click on the desired rows individually, or I can click the selection box at the top for all rows. Now all the rows are checked. Select the Export action and the Go button. The system will prompt you for a location to save a spreadsheet of the records on the list. The list contents will include only the records shown based on your filter. The Inventory Results list is identical in behavior to the My Inventory and My Favorites menu options. So we'll take a look at another list, such as typing. Again, we can expand the groupings. Let's regroup the types by category. The Edit Search button will take us back to the original search to refine our criteria. Let's look at actions. As before, we can select some or all rows and export them to a spreadsheet. If you happen to be a system administrator, the Deactivate function will also show here. Now we will take a look at the Organization's results list. Let's regroup the results by county and then by state. As before, you see there are Export and Edit Search options. Now on to locations. Are you noticing a pattern? Here I can regroup by county, zip code, even by island for Hawaii locations. Contacts and users have similar lists and similar functions. All of these lists and their related functions should help in narrowing down data discovery for you in the system.